Okay, do it again, please. Again.
Right here.
Okay. Yeah. And hit it along here. Okay. Is there any way of securing that, or is it coming loose, the heat shield?
It's coming loose. The bolt is tight. I think is the.
Tap it again one more time. But put the light where we hear the noise.
Here, let me see. You can see it vibrating on the bottom.
Okay, and where's the heat shield
It's
loose at?
well, you couldn't tell. You have to take off the cat
Yeah. Okay.
and see if the cat is damaged, or see if the heat shield could be put a spacer. Or, I mean, it's this one right here on the back side that's vibrating. You can actually see it. Go ahead, tap it while you can actually see it vibrate. See it vibrating.
Yeah.
So we don't know if the